What's the meaning of annotated? Annotated. 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 Annotated.
Annotated refers to the process of adding notes, comments or other types of metadata to a piece of content, such as a document or image. The purpose of annotating is usually to provide additional context or information that helps the reader better understand the content. The result of annotating is that the original content now has supplementary information attached to it, which can be used to provide further insight or aid in analysis. Annotated content is often seen in academic or research contexts, where the added commentary serves to support and enrich the primary material.